Hello and good day. This is a video demo of proof of concept for extraction, transformation, and loading process in data warehouse, which is a final source using Microsoft tool SSIS SQL Server Integration Services. Bahagian 1. Simulasi LMIAP. For this project, we are given 5 simple files which are majikan KWSP, majikan LHDN, majikan GIM, majikan Perkeso, and STB for us to load into database. Then, we will do data extraction, followed by transformation, data quality, data standardization, and data harmonization. Next, we load the data into the data warehouse. For each file has the same file name but different periods. Then we can loop the file to extract into the database. First, we define the connection manager, followed by defining the Excel file path and Excel version for the ETL tool to learn the settings. In the source Excel editor, we are able to go through the columns in the given Excel. In OLEDB destination editor, we will be performing the table mapping to map the source column with the destination. This is the result for the extraction process. From the figure shown, the format extracted from the source is exactly the same as in database. Now, we are starting for the first simulation. This is the script where we are running some coding for checking nombor pendaftaran. Now, we are executing the first simulation. For this transformation package, we are checking the nombor pendaftaran per format given. A complete nombor pendaftaran consists of a string of numeric characters followed by an alphabetical character, while other than that will be counted as incomplete. This is the result after the transformation process for KWSP data for complete nombor pendaftaran. And this is the result for incomplete nombor pendaftaran. Next, we are executing the second simulation. The individual data tables of KWSP, LHDN, GIM, and Perkeso will merge into one table called majikan using nombor pendaftaran as an identifier with conditions stated in the simulation question. The image shows graphically how it is combined as in a single table. This is transformation for second simulation. We can see that all columns in each agency are inserted into the majikan table. After combining all 4 files, we can see that the rows are updated for every nombor pendaftaran. Some nombor pendaftaran have data for all 4 agencies, while some don't. This is an example for nombor pendaftaran that have null values in certain agencies. After going through the dataset, we found out that certain nombor pendaftaran is not found in some agency due to the fact that nombor pendaftaran does not match in the agency's record. This caused null value in the column's record. Now, we are showing the result. The result shown is one of the results that are able to match 3 sets of data majikan, which consists of data KWSP, LHDN, and Perkeso. Conversely, the set of data that are not able to match is the GIM data, which is highlighted in yellow. We are finished for simulation number 2. Now we will show the simulation for number 3. Next, we will do the step to do checking consistency, code mascot, and MSIC. First, we have to perform data profile and data quality DPDQ for checking the data row count. Next, we apply the second level of data mining algorithm to check and determine the code mascot and MSIC. First thing first, we can see that mascot and MSIC code pairs found in sample. Then, we will categorize mascot and MSIC code by subsector. Next, we have to recheck for null set of mascot and MSIC code. Moving next, we will recheck for final result. Most importantly, the final result is generated for the consistency column. The third step for checking consistency is to verify by observing selected record set. For this transformation package, we are checking the consistency for the industry code. If the industry and pekerjaan match with each other, it will be categorized as consistent, while for the unmatched, it will be categorized as inconsistent. This is example result for consistent. And this is inconsistent code mascot and MSIC. We are showing specific query inconsistent. This is the result for consistency checking that is inconsistent between code mascot and code MSIC. Example, Ketua Menteri in Industri Pembaikan dan Penyelenggaraan Jentera dan Kelengkapan Industri are inconsistent. We have completed the task for transformation simulation. Next, we will demonstrate the process if the client provides us with data in an unstructured format such as PDF file. We can extract and transform the data and then present the results in a graphical representation for easy verification and efficient portrayal of the information.
This is a demonstration of a mockup interface for the software to show the flow of the software for the user to understand the software better. So this is a home page that is being shown here. So there are three buttons here. There are buttons to upload document, file explorer, and also to view your history. So once we click on the upload documents, we can see that there's a page that allows us to drag a file into this box here. Or also we can simply click on upload files. So in a scenario where we were to drag the files, we simply have to drag in the files, and then once it's uploaded, we can have the option to delete the uploaded files or have a view of the files. Once we are satisfied with the files that we have uploaded, simply click on process files and the files will be processed. This is a detailed explanation of our AI-powered natural language processing backend. The whole process is done using actual PDF document provided to us from the POC. So as you can see in this overview here, on the right side, we show that there's an actual DOS and PDF article going through our NLP process, and then the output will be in a structured data, which could be a CSV, Excel, or in a database format. So going to the details, let's start with the input. So we have the media articles. Our algorithm will detect whether it's a text-based PDF or an image-based PDF. After that, we will process those documents and into raw text, and from the raw text, we'll be able to extract information. We will be able to extract information such as URL link, location, media information, date, and from the date we'll be able to extract month, quarter, year, and upon clearing the text we'll be able to extract category, perform a summary on the whole article, detect which section and kind of economic activity does the article belong to, and also finally we have the ability to detect the sentiment of the article. And once it's completed, we'll be able to produce the output in a structured data format. After the user has uploaded the document into our software, our AI-powered natural language processing backend engine will be able to process the document, and after it's processed, it will be able to extract information such as sector, company name, title, date, summary, and many more from the provided documents.
Now, we are showing the result. This is the dashboard visualization based on checklist number 15, which to summarize from the Majikan database. Here we can see total of Majikan, pekerja, pekerja asing, and gaji right beside the gaji data label. There is a simple table to show the percentage difference for gaji from year 2020 and 2021. At left below, it is the pie chart of jumlah syarikat mengikut saiz syarikat LHDN in percentage. Mouse over to the chart will enable you to see the value as total. You also can expand the graph image by clicking the top right arrow button. Next to it is line chart for jumlah majikan mengikut subsektor MSIC. We set the color red to green to indicate the increment of the data. From here, the lowest employer contribution is from subsector S, which represent other service activities. At the above left, you can click the Survey Tenaga Suruh button. Here, you will be redirected to STB dashboard. STB dashboard is a correlation between employment code MASCO and industry code MSIC. Below of that is Purata sentiment mengikut subsector. From the result, you can see the only negative sentiment is in subsector I. Last but not least, this dashboard only generates image form for exported dashboard. Although you choose to export to Excel, the results as you can see here are still in image. That's all from us. Thank you.